Welcome back to Unlocked Crafts. Today we're doing the Mosaic Rice Starter Kit for the race car. Included in this kit, when you purchase it, you will receive quite a few pieces of paper for your rice to be laid down on. You'll get an 8x8 canvas with the drawing already on it. You will get a pair of tweezers. Get a colored picture for reference. You'll get a color by number sheet. You'll be getting 2 ounces of the glue that is needed for it. You will get 7 colors with the amount of ounces in each bag, so you will know how many ounces are in each bag of colors, and that's approximately how many you will need. You may have leftovers, so don't think you've forgotten anything. And you will have a supply list, and it will include the YouTube channel so that you can follow along on the rice mosaic. If there are any questions on the rice mosaic that is not clear, please do not hesitate to ask and contact me, and I will definitely be able to answer your questions. Thank you for watching the video, and have a great day. Let's see. So I'm working on his little face goggles, not the helmet. Well, it's inside the helmet part, but the helmet's going to be a totally different color than the goggles. I'm doing his black shirt right now. I'm just pulling the glue a little bit because it's a little thick on that area. So we're thinning it out a little bit. And this is basically the same thing I do for every rice mosaic. Just lay down the glue and lay down the rice. I'm going to have 2 color options for the car, just like I do for the butterfly. Okay, day 2. Still working on our rice car starter mosaic. Didn't do much yesterday, but the reason I'm doing this is so that you guys get an idea of how to go about making your mosaic look nice. And if there's any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I will gladly answer any questions you may have. Right now I'm going to be working on the golden bolt, lightning bolt. I'm going to outline it first and then fill it in. Now, what I just did there is I put it right next to the rice that I already laid down. Straight line, well, following the lightning bolt line rather than just like that. You lay your glue down. Don't do too much at one time, because this glue does dry a little quick, not overly quick, but it does dry a little bit quick. You can get as detailed as you wish on here. I will include a little bit of extra rice in each pack, and I will tell you how many ounces are in the pack of rice. But it is just pretty much the amount that you will need to finish your rice mosaic. And this is not edible. You cannot eat this because of when I color the rice, I use alcohol, or sometimes I'll use paint instead of the color food gel, depending on what kind of color I was going for. In my other video, I showed the girls about, let's see if I can zoom in for us. See if I can hold steady here. My hands sometimes shake. There's a little point to your rice that can fit one of two ways into your next rice grain. You can either close the gap with the point to point, or you can use the point to the end of the rice, just like that. Depends on what kind of effect you're looking for and how you want to close the gap. It's all a matter of how you want it to look. You'll just do that. This is not a one-day project. This is a multi-day project. I'm tackling the light. If you find yourself laying out too much glue, just pull it up, pull it back, or pull it out. With your tweezers, spread it out, and you can lay your rice. There's really not a whole lot to this other than the image itself. As one area dries, you can work on another area opposite of the first area that you're working on, so that the first area that you're working on Okay, so this afternoon we're finishing up on the race car, Mosaic. And as you see, I don't have the edge quite filled in. I'm putting it in a frame, so that will not even be noticed. This is the last little bit. It's right on the edge of the canvas. It's also right on the edge of your tire. So one row should be able to complete that. And there we go. Thank you for watching my Mosaic starter kit for the race car. I'm going to show you my finished project, which is right here. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did enjoy this video, hit the like and subscribe button on the bottom of the page there. Thank you and have a great day.